In the dynamic world of smart home technology, this Pureatic V2 robotic vacuum cleaner emerges as a beacon of innovation, transforming your living environment into a haven of cleanliness. This review dives deep into the features that make the Pureatic V2 a must-have for those seeking a powerful, intelligent, and hassle-free cleaning solution. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful suction for a spotless space. The Pureatic V2 redefines the concept of cleanliness with its 1500 PA powerful suction mode. Equipped with 4 cleaning methods: automatic, spot, edge, and single room, this robotic vacuum is not just a cleaner, it's a curator of a healthy and pristine living space. Say goodbye to pet hair, debris, and dust with the Pureatic V2 as your reliable cleaning companion. Smart app control for effortless cleaning. No more searching for a remote control. The Pureatic V2 introduces Smart App Control, allowing you to manage and direct the robotic cleaner effortlessly using your mobile phone. With features like directional control, 4 cleaning modes, automatic recharge, and time scheduling, the Pureatic V2 puts the power of cleanliness at your fingertips. It's not just a vacuum, it's your cleaning assistant, responding to your commands with precision. High-capacity battery for extended cleaning. The Pureatic V2 doesn't just clean efficiently, it does so with stamina. Featuring a high-capacity 4400 mAh Li-ion battery, this robotic cleaner supports up to 100 minutes of powerful suction cleaning. It automatically seeks the charging dock when finished or on low battery, ensuring that your home stays spotless without interruptions. It's a marathon cleaner designed to keep up with your dynamic lifestyle. Ultra-thin design for versatile cleaning. Unlike traditional robot vacuums, the Pureatic V2 boasts an ultra-thin design that redefines accessibility. With a 3-2 and low-profile body, it effortlessly maneuvers under furniture and chairs, and into every nook and cranny. Say goodbye to dust hiding in tight spaces. The Pureatic V2 is here to tackle the unseen messes, giving you a thorough and comprehensive clean. Triple cleaning system for a healthier home. The Pureatic V2 employs a 3-point cleaning system featuring a washable pre-filter, sponge, high-efficiency filter, dual side brushes, and powerful suction. This thoughtful design ensures thorough cleaning on various surfaces, from wood floors to low-pile carpets. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about creating a healthy and space-purifying environment for you and your loved ones. Double-layer filter cleaning for extra efficiency. The Pureatic V2 takes cleanliness to the next level with its double-layer filter cleaning system. Utilizing V-shaped dual rolling brushes, a brushless motor, and a streamlined air duct design, this robotic vacuum offers a thorough and customized cleaning effect. With 50% extra suction pressure, it efficiently picks up dust, debris, and pet hair, ensuring your floors are impeccably clean. Smart cleaning modes for every scenario. Pureatic V2 understands that every living space is unique. With 4 distinct cleaning modes: spot cleaning, edge cleaning, zigzag cleaning, and automatic cleaning, it adapts to different scenarios effortlessly. Whether you need a quick touch-up or a comprehensive cleaning session, the Pureatic V2 is your versatile cleaning companion. In conclusion, the Pureatic V2 robotic vacuum cleaner is not just a cleaning device, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Embrace the future of smart home cleaning with a product that combines power, intelligence, and efficiency. Invest in the Pureatic V2 and experience a new era of cleanliness in your home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.